Good morning friends. Today we are going to learn about a function returning list. Now let us learn with an example. So to write the function we need the keyword def, give some space and write the function name. My function name is fun and I will open the beginning block by writing a colon and I'm creating a string variable and an integer object and I am returning both in the form of list. So how to determine that it is a list? Because I have written in the form of list, that is square brackets. After return you can see that I have written square brackets of str comma x. That means it will return in the form of list. Now I'm writing the driver code for that. So I'm calling this function. Okay, now how to call this function? By writing the name of the function is enough. So name is fun. Now since since it returns the list objects, the list of a string as well as integer, so we have to save it with a variable. Since it returns a list object, I will save in a variable. So I will assign this function calling to a variable. Now let us do it. Now let us assign this function calling to a variable. So my variable name is L. Now I will print this L. So to understand it better, I am writing this as list. So I will print this list variable. So when you click run, you can get the result as ABC, 20 in the form of list. Okay. Now this is our program. This is our program definition. This is our Python definition to return a list of objects. I am writing a Python definition to return the list of objects. Okay, this is your class.